Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I am putting makeup subscription boxes on the dang chalking block. Chalking block, that's right. I meant to say chopping block. If you haven't seen my recent videos where I say BoxyCharm, you suck, reviewing I think 12 Ipsy bags and all that stuff, I'll leave a link to the playlist down below. Next up on the what is wrong with me? The chopping block is Sephora Play. I pay for Sephora Play, my own money. I've been subscribed, I think since they launched, which was what, 2-3 years ago? Long time ago. And I'm just, subscription boxes are starting to become a waste of money for me. One, because I've been subscribed to them so long. Two, I'd say about at least 50% of the products I don't use. But I have always told you guys that Sephora Play has been one of my favorite subscription boxes because it's $10 a month. You get to try out products from Sephora, especially if you're new to makeup. I think this is a great subscription box, or if you're just dabbling in like mid-range and high-end skincare makeup, this is a good one because you get to try out things for $10, and then if you like it, you can get the full size. But Sephora Play has quickly started, how do I say this nicely? It's been added to my shit list for makeup subscription boxes. A lot of the stuff I just end up not using, giving away. The same thing I told you guys for Ipsy. If you haven't seen it, link down below. So let's review 6 of them, okay? So this is the most recent one I have. We're gonna go back in time. I'll put pictures of everything on the screen. Let's start with August of 2018. First of all, Sephora Play gives you a bag that is not like an actual makeup bag. It looks like this. They used to actually give you cloth bags, but now they give you these little plastic ones, which I don't care for at all. Honestly, instead of giving me the plastic, I would rather they just put the makeup in this box. I think it's a bit of a waste of plastic. They used to give you these really ugly cloth bags that literally look like a do-rag. Do people still call these do-rags scarves? And I would just use them for poop bags to pick up my Shih Tzu's poop. So, August 2018. I got an Anastasia brow gel. I don't use brow gel. I love Anastasia's dip brow pomade, so I actually passed this on to a friend. I got a lip plumping thing. I really did like this Makeup Forever lipstick. That was really nice. I love a good mauve-y lipstick. The Origins clay mask I passed on to my friend because my skin at that time was more dry, and I found that clay masks were really drying my skin out. And then I don't even know how to use dry texture spray. If you can't tell, I wear a lot of wigs and weaves. I think I actually unboxed this on my channel, and I think I asked you guys, or did I unbox it on Instagram stories? I stopped unboxing. That's another thing, subscription boxes on my channel, because you guys just told me you weren't interested anymore. A lot of times I didn't really like the products I was getting. It was my least viewed video, so I actually just started unboxing them on Instagram. And they also sent a cool blonde shampoo and conditioner. I told them my hair is dark. I told them my skin is deep. Why the F am I getting blonde shampoo and conditioner? So I passed that on to my beautiful blonde friend. So that bag, I think I kept, what is that? 1 or 2 of the products? This is when I was starting to be like, When I saw that blonde shampoo and conditioner, I was like, what's going on here, Sephora Play? September 2018, this was a little bit better. Everybody sends you that dang Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I'm just kind of lukewarm about it. It's just okay for me. The foundation, the Marc Jacobs foundation, way too light. I passed that on to someone. I know some of you think I'm being very negative here when I do these reviews, but I'm just being honest with you. I tell you guys I love things all the time, but I can't love everything. I loved that Sephora Collection mascara. I always tell you guys I feel like Sephora Collection is like one of the most underrated brands here on YouTube. The Tom Ford Black Orchid perfume I did like. My camera cut off again because I'm talking too much, but that bag was actually a winner. Anytime they send me perfume, I love it, and I told them that in my quiz. Now this one was a dud. Again, they sent me a stick foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I did a full review video on that foundation. I know a lot of people didn't like it. If you want to hear my thoughts, link down below. But look at the shade they sent. Look at the shade. It's in Banana. I don't understand. I did try the Quench Hydrating Primer, and that wasn't bad. And it does say here, chosen for your skin type. I really like the Caudalie serum. That was awesome. And Caudalie is very expensive, so I loved that they sent that. Like I said, I feel like it's a great way to intro you into higher end or mid-range products. And then the Philosophy Eye Gel, I did give it a try. Some of you in my last video were like, you're not even trying the products. The ones that I think would work for me, I did try, excuse me, and I didn't notice like a huge difference. And then this Chloe perfume, I don't know what happened, but Sephora Play always used to send perfumes, and then they just kind of stopped, and now it's like intermittently. I really like that perfume. I've actually owned it before, so that bag was great. Again, at this point, I'm still really happy with everything. Well, except for when they send me the wrong shades of things. But for most of the things that I try from Sephora Play, I actually do really like, unless I just know it won't work for me. The Clinique Pep Start I've tried, and I don't notice a huge difference, so I actually just passed that on to my mom. Again, I love a good mauve lipstick, and it's Sephora collection, so I love that. I still use that actually. This shampoo from Christophe, I think it's Christophe Robin. If you need to exfoliate your scalp, that stuff is strong and amazing, and I loved it, and I'm so grateful they sent me that. So how many products in this bag did I keep? Oh, and they sent a perfume. They sent the Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb, which I already own full size, but I loved having it in my purse. So I kept about 50% of that bag. Not bad. Not bad compared to the other ones. And then last month's bag, this one was kind of a dud for me, you guys. The Drunk Elephant Cream just did nothing for my skin. I did really like the Bite Beauty Lip Crayon, and that's about it. Sunday Riley Good Jeans, that is awesome. I've done full review videos on that. If you haven't seen it, link down below. And I think that's all I used. So let's get into this month. So this is February, so let's see what we have. This is, oh, this is good. And is this my shade? No, but it's close. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and it's basically a little sample size, but it's not bad. It's 0.24 fluid ounces. This isn't my shade. This is Deep Spice, but maybe I could pass it on to my mom. At least it's not banana like the last time. That's cool. Another Caudalie product. See, this is why I say Sephora Play, out of all the makeup subscription boxes, is probably my favorite. I love this stuff. I have a full review video on Caudalie products coming up soon. This is their Vino Source Moisturizing Sorbet. So far, so good. Clinique. What is this? Is this an eyeliner? Let's see. Let's try not to. Yeah, this is an eyeliner. For 10 bucks, friends. Oh, I think it's gray, which I never use. Oh no, it's Intense Ebony. Yes. I always love a black eyeliner. So black eyeliner from Clinique. Do we have a perfume? Yes, we do. A perfume from Stella McCartney. I've never tried her perfumes. I love trying new perfumes because then I know what I can buy full size and I'll like. Ooh, that smells nice and sweet. Wander Beauty, I have tried their under eye mask and I really like them. Oh yeah, these are the gold under eye mask. I really like these actually. And then lastly, from Glow Recipe. Hey, this brand was featured in my new brands you need to know about in 2019. I'll leave a link to it down below. This is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So I'm excited to try this. So that bag was dang good. Most of these products I already know I like. I know I love the Caudalie. I know I love this foundation. I know I love these eye masks. And I got a perfume. All you have to do is give me perfume and I'm happy. So I think Sephora Play will stay with me. Ipsy and BoxyCharm, I'm not too sure. But Sephora Play, you've got a thumbs up for me. Now, one thing I didn't get from Sephora, but I actually picked up from Ulta. I actually have a box here. Like literally a box of products I want to tell you guys about. Let's see if I can find it. There we go. I've actually told you guys about this before. This is the Clarins UV Plus Anti-Pollution Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Sunscreen. So not only does it protect you from the sun, but it protects you from pollution in the air. It says UV rays and pollution for everlasting, youthful, and luminous skin. I've actually used this up like 3 or 4 times. I love this stuff. I love Clarins. I did a full review video on their foundation. If you haven't seen that, link down below because that turned out very interesting. Oh no, it's opened. What happened? It like exploded a little bit. It's just, Huh. Well, I don't know how it opened because it's still sealed, but it's just a very nice, lightweight sunscreen that also protects you from pollution. Because if you didn't know, we have a lot of pollution that can also make your skin break out. I remember when I first moved to LA, my skin was horrendous. I wish I had something like this, and there's no color. It doesn't leave a white cast, but you do need to give it a little bit of time to set into the skin. If you want to hear my thoughts on Ipsy and what I'm doing with Ipsy, check it out right here.